Welcome back to our video series on the non-public data system. This video will cover how to complete federal participation forms. An important item to note, in the new non-public data system, the non-public principal or designee with data entry non-public is responsible for starting the participation process. The non-public principal or designee will enter enrollment data by uploading their spreadsheet. They will complete the participation form and change the status to non-public approved. The first 5 steps of this process are solely the responsibility of the non-public school. However, consultation with the public district will be ongoing. I will walk through these steps and then discuss the responsibility of the public district. Let's begin with a school that has already uploaded their enrollment data. In the search box, choose Participation Started and hit search. Here we see 2 results returned. We have a participation form for Bishop Hartley and Columbus Public Schools, or Bishop Hartley and Dublin. I'm going to select Columbus Public Schools as Bishop Hartley is physically located in Columbus Public School District. Clicking on the details will allow us to view the information for this form. Click Participation. Here we can see this participation form is for Columbus Public School District. And it's highlighted green on the table. We can also see the participation started status listed on the right side of the form. At the top of the page, we see district and school enrollment data specific to the participation form we are about to complete. This is an advantage to the new system. The data that will inform your decisions about participation is located right on the same page. Scroll to the bottom to see the participation form. Notice we can now see the federal grant programs listed on the tabs to the left. Clicking the grant will expand the participation form and display data. Some of this data is system generated, and some of the data has been entered by the non-public building principal or designee. The non-public principal or designee will work through the tabs answering the questions regarding equitable services. Responding to "Do you wish to participate?" and "Was consultation given?" are mandatory questions. Let's complete the Title I section of this form. We can see the total low-income students entered by the non-public principal or designee is 314. The total number of academically eligible students is 18. We can see that in these buildings, the data for the buildings at the top of the page, and it's pulled directly into your participation form. Do you wish to participate in Title I Part A? Yes. When you click "Was consultation given?", you have the option to enter the date. This is the date of the initial consultation and will be verified by the public district. Are services provided by in-district LEA? If the answer is yes, click Yes. If the answer is no, you will have the opportunity to tell us more about who is providing those services. Here you'll be able to list the name of that provider. Clicking Save will save that portion of the form. Notice we have the green thumbs up here and the green thumbs up in the little square beside Title I. You'll want to work through each federal grant answering the questions, "Do you wish to participate?" and "Was consultation given?" If there's a program you don't wish to participate in, just click No. Remember, consultation should always be given whether or not you choose to participate in the program. Once you have all green squares on your participation form, you will need to hit the complete button. After you hit the complete button, you can change the status to non-public approved. Notice we have a validation that asks, are you ready to mark the survey as complete? If you're ready, click OK. Now that the participation form is complete, we can change the status to participation submitted. For the public district, they will search by non-public approved to find their list of participation forms awaiting approval. Clicking on the Details and Participation tab will allow the public district to verify the information in the participation form. If it is correct, the public district will change the status to public approved. If a correction is needed, the public district will click the Correction Needed link. A text box will prompt them to enter the reason that a correction is needed. The form will then be sent back to the non-public principal for correction. To view the participation history, click this link and you'll be able to see which user changed the form from one status to another status, as well as the date and time that change occurred. This is the last video in this series of technical assistance videos for the non-public data system. If you need additional assistance, please contact your consultant in the Office of Federal Programs.